science fans. We are
Hi.
back with the final video from the Frightful First Experiment kit by...
Gelt. You struggled to
I
say
did that, I did. It's because I'm so emotional because it's the last one.
I don't see anything apart from Sheldon.
Well,
We don't have a piece.
oh, really? Well, let's
There's
see.
one piece left. Wait.
Oh, let's see if there's anything in Sheldon.
For me. Okay. But he's got stitches.
Oh, you're going to have to break them open. Oh, Sheldon!
Wait. There's something here.
What does it say?
You read it.
Sheldon's got other stuff in him. I don't know what. Celery. Okay, it says, you've done it. You've completed all of the experiments.
Well, not yet.
Here's your final jigsaw piece. And you are now free to leave Science Towers. Yay!
Wait, what about the last one in the
Wait.
book?
Hope you had fun. Here's a quiz to finish off. From Baron Frankenstein, Miss Perkins, and Professor M. Large.
Are you ready for the final piece? Shall we see what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a party scene.
Oh, well, that's good. So let's turn it. So, oh, how good is that? Because we wanted to go to the party, and here we are with a tortoise.
Yeah, a tortoise and a bird.
Going to a party.
A balloon. Party hat. Party blower. Oh, even a party hat on the bird and loads of presents.
Well, that's good. And here, do you want to listen to the quiz?
Yeah.
So this is Miss Perkins' Putrid Plant Quiz.
Okay, you tell me.
Why wouldn't you want to eat a skunk cabbage? Is it A, it stinks like a skunk, B, it tastes like a skunk, or C, it's poisonous and it stinks like a skunk?
C.
Absolutely right. Well done. You wouldn't want to eat a skunk cabbage because it's poisonous and stinks like a skunk. Number 2. How did the goldfish plant get its name? A, goldfish can't resist nibbling it. They even leap out of their bowls and wriggle towards the plant on their bellies, then they die. B, it looks like a goldfish. Or C, it pongs like a goldfish. A long, dead one.
Is it goldfish plant?
Goldfish plant, yeah. Why is it called a goldfish plant?
C?
No, it's B. It looks like a goldfish, but it does say it doesn't fool very many people. After all, fish don't normally grow on bushes. And then the last one. What do the Rafflesia and the Voodoo Lily have in common? A, they would make an ideal gift for your teacher. B, they stink of rotten meat. Or C, they're used to make perfume.
B.
B, they do stink of rotten meat, and it says, and if you still think the answer is A, you ought to be expelled.
You know how I knew?
What?
Because I saw that.
Ah, a picture of rotting meat. So there we go. So that was the Frightful First Experiment box by Galt as part of their Horrible Science range. So what do you think? What do you want to score it all together?
Ooh, I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna give it a 1. Wait, no, 9.
A 9? Well, I was going to go 9 as well. So go on, tell me why.
Well, I like it because A, it introduced our new mascot,
Sheldon. Yeah.
B, it was pretty fun. But the reason why I didn't give it a 10 was because there were quite a lot of things that weren't in the kit.
Yeah, there were. And I think there were some that had instructions that were a bit meh.
Yeah.
But there were lots of things which were really cool.
And they were very funny, like the eyeball one.
The eyeball one, I was going to say. So what was your favourite one, do you think?
I'm going to have to go with Sheldon.
Yeah, but he wasn't an expert. Oh, with the bashed up brain one.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, no, that was a good one. Yeah. Okay, Science fans, so there we go. So we've finished with this one.
Gonna give it a solid 9.
We're going to give it a solid 9. Well done, Galt. That was a good old box. It had 18 experiments in, which was a lot. And so stay tuned, because next video we'll have a brand new box, and who knows what's going to happen then. So until then, don't forget, tune into our YouTube channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Sheldon.
And don't forget to
like and subscribe.
Bye for now, science fans.
Bye.